Tempus AI is setting up for long-term dominance with the rollout of several new innovations, starting with the introduction of XM for treatment response monitoring, a liquid biopsy assay designed to detect molecular response to immune checkpoint inhibitor therapy in advanced solid tumors. This new assay is part of Tempus' growing portfolio of sensitive tests for monitoring molecular response and minimal residual disease. Currently available for research use, it's expected to be available for clinical use later this year. The XM for TRM assay works by quantifying changes in circulating tumor DNA from a blood sample, allowing for early assessment of molecular response in patients with advanced cancers receiving immunotherapy. It uses a unique algorithm that integrates multiple factors, including copy number variations and variant allele frequencies, to estimate the amount of circulating tumor DNA. This enables clinicians to monitor treatment response and potentially refine treatment strategies. Tempus is presenting data on XM for TRM at the American Society of Clinical Oncology annual meeting, highlighting its potential to help clinicians monitor response to treatment and make informed decisions. According to the company, the assay can detect molecular response to immunotherapy prior to 6 weeks into treatment, which could impact treatment decisions, especially for patients with advanced disease. The goal is to provide clinicians with a tool to stay ahead of disease progression and optimize treatment strategies. Tempus Chief Development Officer, Helen Mary, emphasized that the company's comprehensive monitoring portfolio is designed to support patients throughout the cancer treatment journey. The introduction of XM for TRM is seen as an exciting development that can help physicians and researchers track changes in tumor fraction while patients receive immunotherapy, potentially impacting treatment decisions and patient outcomes. Tempus has also announced the expansion of its generative AI clinical assistant, Tempus One, with direct integration into electronic health record systems. This integration aims to provide physicians with more support in treatment decisions by leveraging AI at every point of the clinical care process. Tempus One's capabilities have been enhanced to offer AI-enabled insights that transform how clinicians interact with patient data, streamlining complex treatment decisions and reducing administrative tasks. The latest iteration of Tempus One features the integration of ASCO's clinical practice guidelines, providing oncologists with easy access to evidence-based treatment and care recommendations. Additionally, Tempus One offers clinical workflow assistance, including pre-appointment preparation, real-time support during appointments, and post-appointment assistance. This support includes summarizing patient history, transcribing conversations, taking intelligent notes, and facilitating clinical trial matching. On top of that, Tempus recently introduced its Agent Builder toolset to a select group of partner providers, allowing them to create and test custom Gen AI solutions tailored to their unique needs. These custom agents can be designed to create efficiencies and streamline workflows, such as generating custom patient overviews or notes from conversations. By referencing institutions' standard operating procedures and data repositories, these agents can be seamlessly integrated into existing workflows. According to Ryan Fukushima, Chief Operating Officer at Tempus, the evolution of Tempus One represents a significant shift in the way clinicians interact with patient data, from searching for answers and documenting care to leveraging AI to deliver actionable insights in real time. This development aims to alleviate the burden on physicians and care teams who face rising costs and growing complexity in healthcare. By providing AI-enabled support, Tempus One can help clinicians focus on patient care and make more informed treatment decisions. Tempus AI is also launching its Fuses program, an initiative designed to transform therapeutic research and build the largest diagnostic platform using its novel foundation model. By harnessing its proprietary dataset, Tempus aims to generate valuable insights for both patient care and research, combining the power of its data and machine learning capabilities to develop an AI-enabled diagnostic platform. Tempus has spent the past decade building a multimodal data library of over 40 million research records, including matched clinical data linked with genomic information, imaging data, and genomic and whole transcriptomic data. The scale and size of this data library will allow the company to uncover groundbreaking discoveries that were previously out of reach. The Fuses program will accelerate Tempus' comprehensive testing portfolio, expanding its suite of AI-enabled diagnostics. Insights from Fuses will be developed into clinically validated algorithmic diagnostics that may enable highly personalized care, such as identifying patients unlikely to respond to approved therapies or those at risk of severe treatment-related events. Tempus has already begun this work with the launch of its Immune Profile Score, a multimodal biomarker that can be used as a prognostic indicator for adult patients with metastatic pan-solid tumors eligible for immune checkpoint inhibitor-based therapy. According to Eric Levkovsky, founder and CEO of Tempus, the company is well positioned to develop the world's largest diagnostic model, designed to answer critical, unsolved questions and make diagnostics smarter and more personalized. The goal is to deliver tangible, transformative change in matching the right therapies to the right patients, making personalized care a reality for millions. The foundational model behind Fuses is learning generalizable rules, determining prognosis and drug benefit in real-world practice. This may further researchers' understanding of why certain clinical trials fail, identify new indications for investigational drugs, optimize trial design, and uncover combination therapies to broaden patient benefit. By revealing biomarker rules, the model may also surface mechanisms of drug response and resistance, inspiring a new generation of companion diagnostics and therapeutic research. Definitely exciting stuff. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.